The next concept in a business environment, that is dimensions or components, or even though it's called elements of business environment. So here there are mainly 5 dimensions of business environment. So all those 5 dimensions of business environment that can be interpreted in this diagram, that is social environment, legal environment, economic environment, political environment, and technological environment. So for easy remembering, we have a mnemonic, that is SLEPT. So S stands for social, L stands for legal, E stands for economic, P stands for political, and T stands for technological factors. So all these are the 5 dimensions of business environment. So let's see what are the each dimensions which is going to related with. The first dimension of business environment, that is social environment. So already I have told you that business is a part in the society. We are using the resources from the society, means there are so many changes that can be taken in the social aspect. So whatever the changes that can be taken in the social environment, all those changes are directly or indirectly affect on the continuation of the business enterprise. What it includes means the social environment, which includes the customs and the traditions of the people, values of the people, and the social trends and the society's expectations from our business organizations. So that is why whatever the changes that can be made in the customs and traditions, values, social trends, and the customers' expectations from our business organization, means the changes that can be made implemented in our business organization. If you not implement those changes, that may have adverse effect on the business enterprise. That is why as a manager you must critically analyze and you must critically examine the changes that can be made in the social environment. So according to that changes, you must implement the changes. According to that, you are going to making certain modifications in the process of the business enterprises and its operations. This is about the first dimension, that is social environment. Then second component is, that is legal environment. So the legal environment means there are so many laws, there are so many rules and regulations that would be followed by each and every kind of business organizations. Say for example, laws and legislations that can be passed in the Parliament, Weights and Measures Act, Trademark Act, and Commodities Act, Consumer Protection Act. So there are so many kinds of acts are there. According to those acts, rules and regulations, we should follow all the rules and regulations and procedures that are prescribed in the respective acts. By following all the laws and rules and regulations, we need to continue the business operations in the society. So that is why the legal environment, which includes the factors relating to laws and legislations passed in the Parliament, Weights and Measures Act, Trademark Act. So by following all the act, by following all the rules, regulations and procedures prescribed by the respective legal forms, all those legal aspects must and should be followed and implemented in the business enterprises. Say for example, on tobacco product, we can see that tobacco is also injurious to health. So they are going to put an advertisement. So that is statutory. That is each and every organizations which are engaged in the manufacturing of tobacco product, they must display an advertisement that is awareness tobacco is injurious to health. So we can able to observe that information which is pasted on the tobacco product. So like that which is compulsory to followed by the business enterprise. All those factors that must be followed by the business organization for its continuous survivalence. This is about the second factor, that is legal environment. Following laws, legislations, following the rules, regulations, procedures which are prescribed in the various acts that are to be affect on the business organization. If you are not followed all those rules and regulations, means it may affect on the working of the business enterprise. That is why we must follow the rules or legal procedures. Then third component of business environment, that is economic environment. So where economic environment which is going to deals with the economic factors like changes in interest rates, changes in inflation rate, change in income of the peoples, stock market reactions that may affect on the business organization. So say for example, you are going to taking the loan from bank. So if the bank loan interest rate is increased, means that may affect on the profit of the business organization. So like that if there is any changes made in the income of the people, means the income of the people, they also going to reflect on the working of the business enterprise. That is why the economic environment which is going to deals with the changes in interest rate, inflation rate, change in income of the people, stock market reactions can affect on business management. So this is about the third dimension of business environment, that is economic environment. So which is going to deals with the money aspect. Then fourth dimension of business environment, that is political environment. So where the political environment, so it is change in country to country, where the political environment consists of the government intervention in business and government policy changes. Whatever the policy which is to be framed by the or which is to be framed by the government, if any changes made in that policy, that may affect on the working of business organization. So that is why they are going to provide immediate and great impact on the business organization. So that is why we should continuously monitor the changes that can can be made in the policies of the government and government intervention in the business aspect. So all those government changes that can be pursued regularly, and as per the changes we need to implement the modifications in our business enterprise. This is about the fourth dimension of business environment, political environment. Then last but not least, that is technological environment. Nowadays technology plays an key role in manufacturing and even though selling of the manufactured product in the society directly to the customers. Say for example, the changes that can be made in the technological aspect may directly affect on the business organization. Say for example, any innovations that can be made in technological factors that may affect on manufacturing of the product by the business entities, where it consists of scientific improvements, innovations in technology, the changes made in methods and techniques of production. They are closely monitored by the business enterprise and the implement the changes in the business organizations. That is why the key role of the business organization is continuous monitoring of technological changes. As you know, the technology is not constant. The technology is changing very rapidly. So that is why as per the advancement made in the technological factors, whatever the changes made in the machines and equipment in production aspect, all those changes and all those development must and should be adopted in the production process. Then only we can able to manufacture the product in a large quantity and it can be reflect in decreased cost of production. So that is why the technological changes also continuously monitored by the enterprise, and all the advancement in technology that can be implemented in the business organization, especially in production methods. So that is why, which includes scientific improvements, innovations in technology, methods and techniques of the production of the goods and services. Those are closely monitored by the enterprise, and all the changes that can be made in the technology that must be implemented immediately. So to avoid the effect on the business organization. This is about the fifth, that is technological environment. This is all about the concept, dimensions or components or elements of business environment. So for easy remembering, we have a mnemonic, that is SLEPT: social, legal, economic, political and technological environment. So this is about the dimensions of business environment. So it is most expected question that may be asked in practical oriented session. So in practical oriented session, we have a question: briefly explain the dimensions or components of business environment. At that time you need to write this chart with brief explanation. So this is all about the dimensions of business environment. Thank you.